Ọmụmụ Agụnkwọ. The birth of Agụnkwọ, the ancient Igbo sun god, the ancient Igbo chi of the sun. The betting spirit in Igbo spirituality is Akwali Ọmụmụ, Odo Ọmụmụ, Nne Ọmụmụ. That is her name. In Igbo spirituality, the sun and the stars rose from the ocean, Oshimiri. In Afa, Igbo, every spirit that dwells in the ocean, sea, river, or lake is known as Ijdete. The water is a representation of vibration, Ete, and from vibration comes forth light, Ora. Various names of the Igbo spirits of the water are as follows: Nono, Akete, Eze Nwanyi Nwe Mmiri, Nne Iyi, Eze Iyi Oshimiri, Idemmili, Orash, Imoka, Akete Isi, Akete Iyi, Eze Mmiri, Nne Mmiri, and many others. In the book Leopards of the Magical Dawn, Nze Chukwuka Dibia Nwafọ enlightens us that the ancient Egyptian mythology known as Nun, or Nenu, originated from the Igbo name for the water goddess known as Nono. And a Nono represents the primordial spirit that existed before all things. Nono Nambo, the mother who was at the very beginning of time, the mother who was at the very beginning of life. The Nubian Kemet Nenu, which is the watery abyss that gave birth to the sun spirit, Ra, is an embodiment of the Igbo mysteries of Nono or Nonu, the primordial mother of the watery abyss, known as Sirius B, Obolodo, that gave birth to the light of the world. Nora. The birth of Agụnkwọ is the birth of the Igbo solar spirits, known in various Igbo clans as Anwụ, Ora, Ọha, Otudeligwe, Okagwu, and Ezototo. The sun is the life force of the world, for without the sun nothing will live. Nora is the mother of the Igbo sun spirit, just like Neth is the mother of Ra, the Kemet sun spirit. Nora is also one of the various names for Venus in Igbo spirituality. vibration, Ete, is the mother of light, or Ra. The mother of the sun god, Ra, represents the Igbo mother goddess, Nethe. The mother of vibration. There are many similarities between the Igbo goddess, Nethe, and the Kush Kemet goddess, Neth. Nethe is the goddess of weaving, just like Nethe. The modern and also ancient Igbo fashion is called Akwete, woven clothing. The mother is a representation of the throne of life. Nokwa, Nora. The mother is the throne of life. For it is through the mother that we all came into this realm. Both Ra and Heru are embodiments of the Igbo sun spirits, or Ra and Agankwo. Ra Hora Kete means Ra, who is Heru of the horizon. Ra Heru Aket is literally Ora Iru Ihu Akete in Afa Igbo language. This is just more evidence proving that Egypt, Kemet, was an African civilization. The Kush Kemet civilization was made up of east, south, and western part of Africa, coming together in North Africa to build the most iconic civilization that the world has ever seen. Also, the Kemetic language and religious lexicons are very similar to the Igbo language. Agankwo, just like in ancient Kemet, in ancient Igbo, the zoomorphic form of the sun was the falcon hawk. Ancient shamanic cultures symbolized the falcon with the sun because the falcon is one of the rarest birds that can fly very close to the sun and stare at the sun without blinking or getting burnt. Thus, the falcon sun, Agankwo, is a representation of sight beyond sight, which is linked to the pineal intelligence gland, Osara, which dwells in the mind, Akpauche. Agabonkwo. The Kemet solar matron sky spirit, Heru, was also depicted as a lion-headed falcon. In Igbo, the sun spirit, Agankwo, is also a leopard-headed falcon hawk because the constellation of Leo is a representation of the sun. The hawk, falcon, eagle, Ugo, python, Eke, and vulture, Udele, are all major Igbo totems. These Igbo totems are mostly associated with the sun. They represent the zoomorphic forms of various Igbo solar spirits. Ikenga Agonkwo, Ikengora. Ikengora Agonkwo is the willpower of the Igbo solar spirits. His day is the Eke day, which is the first day in the Igbo 4 market days. His day is also Nkwo day, which is the 4th day in Igbo 4 market days. Agonkwo Ora, the sun spirits, can be consulted with a candle or holding a kola nut towards the sun and then speaking to the sun. Also, the ritual of early morning sun gazing and evening sun gazing are all associated with the will power of the Igbo sun spirit, Agonkwo. When the kola nut breaks into 3 loops, it is called an Oji Kenga. The name Heru and Ra are both derived from the Igbo Iruora, Ihuoha, which means the face of the sun in Afa. The name Heru means face and Ra means sun. Both Ra and Heru are zoomorphic forms of the falcon. In Afa Igbo, Ora or Ha means sun or light, and Iru means face. The falcon hawk is the face of the sun. This unveils the ancient Igbo origin of the ancient Egyptian solar cults.